Hi guys, it's John Reinhardt here with Reinhardt Group LLC, and today we are showcasing what you can do with the DJI Mavic Drone. I've got a Mavic 3 Classic. We're flying into the sunset. I got some really beautiful footage here, and I just kind of want to showcase what these cameras can do. You get the 4/3 Hasselblad camera is what's in these Mavic 3 Classics. It's in quite a few other Mavic drones as well. I'll list some other drones that aren't DJI Mavic drones down in the description. You can check those out, but I'll give you a wide array, but I'm a pretty big fan of the DJI drones, to be honest with you. So you're spanning from a dark area over to a light area. You would assume there's gonna be a lot of camera focusing, but there's really not. And you're still getting a lot of detail down there in the bottom of the screen where it's really dark. Here's again, absolutely beautiful sunset. And the colors, it is a very full spectrum camera. It gets quite a few of those colors in there. And like I said, you have a very bright area up top and then a dark area down below. A lot of the times you struggle to see like detail in the darker areas when you have a really, really bright area up above. But this one, no, it does such a great job. And you can see even spanning, there's really not much focusing going on as it's adjusting to the different light. So, I love it. I'm a pretty big fan here, and as you can see, we'll do it again. We're gonna span back to the light part, and even after spanning to that light part, it's really bright. You can see all those gorgeous colors, and you can also see quite a bit of detail still down in those darker areas. That's what I want. I wanted a camera that got, the best detail that I could get. I'm not flying these around, I'm not racing these around. I wanted to get good footage, and that's why I bought one of these. So you guys kind of got to see flying into the sunset, what it looks like. This is a DJI Mavic 3 Classic. And if you guys found this information helpful, please hit that like button. Don't forget to comment what kind of footage you want to see next. This is John Reinhardt here with Reinhardt Group LLC. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.